Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Quantum Max. First, let's get you set up. Carefully unpack your new Quantum Max device and identify all the included components. Next, connect the power adapter, ensuring it's plugged into a stable power source. Then, download and install the Quantum Max companion application on your smartphone or tablet. Finally, follow the simple on-screen instructions within the app to pair your device, which usually takes less than 30 seconds. Now that your Quantum Max is ready, let's explore its core functions. The main interface allows you to easily navigate between various operational modes. You can select your preferred mode, perhaps standard for everyday use or enhanced for more intensive tasks. Adjusting parameters like intensity or duration is straightforward, often using a simple dial or slider. You'll also find real-time feedback displayed directly on the device or conveniently within the companion application. Beyond the basics, Quantum Max offers several advanced features to enhance your experience. You can create and save multiple user profiles, allowing you to quickly switch between personalized settings for various scenarios. Scheduling automated operations is simple, letting the device work efficiently on its own. The data logging feature provides valuable insights into performance over time, and for a truly integrated setup, you can connect it with other compatible smart home devices. To ensure your Quantum Max continues to perform at its best, a few simple maintenance tips are key. Always keep the device clean using a soft, dry cloth, avoiding harsh chemicals. Regularly check for and install software updates to benefit from the latest features and performance improvements. When not in use, store your Quantum Max in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. For any troubleshooting or further assistance, remember to consult your user manual or reach out to customer support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.